Welcome to Linda's TV show. If it is your first time, you like the channel, you like the program, subscribe and put on your notification bell because it's gonna help you to know when I upload a new video. My viewers, my subscribers, you guys are so amazing, especially those who always tune in to watch me each time I upload a Guys, before I play this video in full, let me go through it and tell you what you are about to watch. I don't know if I should give kudos to Edo youth. You know, for a very long time now, Fulani herdsmen has been terrorizing Edo community. So today, according to this news, in Akoko Edo, the Fulani herdsmen killed somebody and this provoked the youth. They went to their community. What you are watching right now is where the Fulani herdsmen are living, the place they are occupying. The angry youth went there. They dealt with them. Like you can see, this is their motorcycle, this is their houses. They destroy everything there. I'm going to allow you to watch the video and come to the comment section to tell me what you think. But for me, I think it's high time they teach them a lesson because enough is enough. They cannot continue to keep quiet. I was like, what has Edo done to Fulani herdsmen that they wouldn't allow them to have peace? Watch and come to the comment section to comment.
Okay, they get mad for Benin. It's a disaster. Burnt this thing. Environment. We are Boki the state. I be all this one. Everywhere burnt down. All their bags everywhere burnt down. Aboki, they killed someone yesterday. They all burnt person alive. For Benin here, for Ogege. Saple road there. Ogege Joshua. Say now, person they come to seize their bag. And they all to cut out, carry, burn alive. This one are revenge now. Community boys now come burn all this one. So. Disaster. Now wow. How they kill human being. Huh? Anyway, they accommodate people. Now, Aboki can't come. They want to turn Benin to their own. Now youth avenge all this one. So burned, scattered there, slaughtered there. Many of them were slaughtered. Aboki. Boys slaughtered. This one is still alive. They stab him for chest here. This one get luck, never die. Can't go. Now okay, you finish. You not come out. Can't go treat yourself. Not see your chest. See the machete cut. Get up. May you carry. Go treat yourself now. They come back again. And boys come back again. Don't you finish. Huh? Get up, baby, go. They cut your leg? Yes, sir. Sorry. They stab you for Nyash? They go to find the way to take. They break that leg, so. Why not wicked like that? Why not wicked? Why? You know wicked, sir? Oh. No. See the way they match at you now. Because now not too much. Now come on that person land, come they commit disaster. I don't get mad, come they slaughter people.
Look how people finish. What do they do? That's when I come from money. I kill people. They bomb people. You want to build a person bomb.
As I just wait there today. Where there's some. They said they come again. I should not be there also.
Oh yeah, move.
I heard it now.
Can you see it? Now Dangbala hear it. Can you see it?
Dangbala hear it.
Can you see that? When are they conceivable to happen? I asked those guys what is happening. Okay, today night be their market. We are going to have a lot of children from the north that are here now. They say they are married now. You can't see any woman here.
Can you see? This is Dangbala community in Opamiri, Awka local government area of Edo State. These are Fulani people who are mining here in Dangbala. Without license, without profiling, without any form of yes, without any form of identification. Can you see them? The Hausa Fulani community are more than Akoko Edo local government area.
Those states. This morning, me say we make we rush come out, make I do school run before I prepare my staffs for the booking. What would they do? Normal job. I just received call, say some Fulani boys, they stop for our junction. They just come from Kaduna. They just cross one whole long range. You understand? The time like person where they go look for hustle. Now I tell it to be this. Now we see the paid use now. Men they on ground now. The next thing when they hear that means they come we get work for now. Oh Bob, but these men don't fall out. Now they take chase them. 2 fish run now. One they already apprehend one and they can't go inside the main community. From there they want to go out to police. You see what they talk? I'm very, very happy today because we are one of the advocates where they preach say, make boys stop to the attack boys. In the name of courtesy. This one was saying in black, this one was saying in yellow, this one was saying in blue, this one was saying in white. Me, white, blue, yellow, purple, black, they kill each other. One full animal, they come, they kill everybody. Everybody, they bone them. White boys, they hustle boys on streets. And we know, say, it's not clear. We cannot have a collective threat. Then we go to fight ourselves in the name of courtesy. There is a collective threat. And I'm so much happy. Since yesterday, courage now, better record the time. Boys the best. Boys not the also boys again. Boys know collective enemy. And boys now they face collective enemy. You cannot come from one territory all in the name of freedom of movement. You go to move people anyhow. If you let people go farm. I go do survey for one community. And we say mostly from there check land. I was shocked. The boys indigenous of the community say, Mona quick, oh. Fulani men, they bush here. That one at the same community after where they for kill the American man. Where they for kidnap the American man where they kill. Now they talk so. After a whole year. Now tell they say on our own community. Another person from outside. Come hold your bush. You they even they say more quick. What if you not plan towards combing that bush? Those days when we did school for a donut. One woman they work for inside farm. All these Fulani people they carry cow, they rape the woman, they move the woman. Bros, it not reach 30 minutes. Ouchie youth, you know how they be now. Those one are people where they use ordinary hand to pursue who go, not be joke. They enter inside bush. They bring results. You don't ever hear say, now so Esme go, do not go as you. If you try young, now on the principle of I don't care who will get here, we go to say these people are criminals. It's not a tribal issue. They are criminals. Let us look at the criminals. See, all men are capable of doing something. Put every man on watch. Because let me tell you, even me when they talk now, as a man, not say I'll fit do something. So if me go fit do something, believe say the next man will fit do something. So if you just say, these people are criminal, let's look for the criminal element, yeah, all of them are not this, go and look at the confessions where they make. About that American man, when they catch one, watch out for crime watch. He say, he get the house where in the state for, I don't forget in the area, where he say in the state, say they bring in, they call, he say make it come from north. In gold, not to be kidnapped. Not to the kidnap. Now, the kidnapping now say, not be saying that kidnapping, when we say, they'll say, Festus get money, more remove Festus, make up pay ransom. Not be that type. Then they look for anybody now. They feel also, anybody when they also, they'll catch on. They'll say 150, 20. Then they even face on 20,000. So you they feel me. And instead of us to act against these collective predators and enemies, boys go the same man. That one are purple, we know the lad way. If all of us gather now say, we not go agree, we not go agree. You get some male will come and say, oh God. Now purple they run out. People say na house blood before join. We don't fit them with them. If na house blood now, we know. But then it gets someone go say, oh, if we come go join the activate now, house blood go say they took care man. House blood go say they took care man. We know if involved. Make they not go say that they get this stuff. Another person they come from somewhere they get all of now. Another person They come from somewhere. They get everybody down. Me and you, the reason of blood, purple, this color and that color. Or I get one. If you're not going to let me talk again, you're there somewhere like this. People will know naturally say, this will I mean, I know say, get some men where be say, we know say, they be brother. Because one or two things, I'll say, you don't know me, now me be Melensky. Melensky. Brother, will be your no say no man, if not because say, see, finish. I not suppose feel stand, they follow and talk. I'll say, I say, I don't like the way you behave. Wait till be all this one. You not clear? Wait till be all this one. Naturally, in the Benin average tradition, seniority they lie. Yes. You don't know say this one is brother Jumbu.
Hi, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time or first day of coming across my YouTube channel or seeing my face, you are highly welcome. Herzlich willkommen zu meinem Kanal. My name is Linda Chukwueze. It's coming as Miguel. That red button that says subscribe and you turn on the notification bell so that you'll be able to get information on the.
Bis zum nächsten Video und einen schönen Tag. Tschüss.
Tschüss. Bis man subscribe to Linda's TV show. What are you waiting for? Click on that red button that says subscribe. You turn on the notification bell so that you'll be getting more updates from me. Leave your comment down below and share this video with your friends, families, and colleagues until we meet again in my next video. Bye bye.